Junkman. Yes, see, this is okay, but for the warning, each character is connectors, just like this.
What did he write? What did he say?
Just an Asian portrait. In China, the Tang Dynasty is the point is very famous. And every case, I think, Chinese kids, they have to recite the 300 Tang points.
Ooh.
Yes, yes. This is very, very common for China.
I have a hard time remembering that point. This is different than
and for the south, it's north. Yeah, also Tian'an is where Tian'an is called Tian'an. This is the heaven piece, and Tian'an is the first